Are you feeling constantly tired, gaining weight without a reason, or struggling with mood swings? You might be experiencing a hormonal imbalance, and the signs aren't always obvious. In today's video, we're uncovering 10 hidden symptoms of hormonal imbalance in women and what you can do to fix them. Stay tuned to the end because the last sign is something most women never expect. 1. Unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight. If you're eating right and exercising but still struggling to lose weight or even gaining weight unexpectedly, your hormones could be to blame. Imbalances in insulin, cortisol, and thyroid hormones can slow down your metabolism and cause stubborn fat, especially around your belly too. Chronic fatigue and low energy, feeling exhausted all the time, even after a full night's sleep. Low progesterone, adrenal fatigue, or thyroid issues could be draining your energy. Your body is signaling that something is off. 3. Persistent acne and skin issues. Settled acne, oily skin. High levels of androgens like testosterone can lead to breakouts, especially around the jawline and chin. Hormonal fluctuations during your menstrual cycle can also trigger skin issues. 4. Hair thinning or excess hair growth. Noticing more hair on your brush or pillow, or, on the flip side, unwanted hair on your face or body. PCOS and high testosterone levels can cause hair loss on the scalp and excess growth in other areas. 5. Mood swings, anxiety, or depression. Do you feel irritable, anxious, or sad for no reason? Your hormones regulate mood, and imbalances in estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol can make your emotions go on a roller coaster ride. 6. Irregular or painful periods. Missing periods, heavy bleeding, painful cramps, estrogen dominance, or low progesterone levels can throw your cycle out of balance. 7. Brain fog and difficulty concentrating, struggling to focus, or feeling forgetful. Thyroid dysfunction, adrenal fatigue, and insulin resistance can all affect brain function, making it hard to concentrate or remember things. 8. Digestive problems like bloating and constipation. Hormones play a major role in gut health. Low estrogen and progesterone can slow digestion, causing bloating, constipation, or IBS-like symptoms. 9. Low libido and vaginal dryness. If you've lost interest in intimacy or experienced vaginal dryness, low estrogen or testosterone levels could be affecting your body's natural functions. 10. Sleep problems and night sweats. Trouble sleeping, waking up in the middle of the night drenched in sweat. Low progesterone and high cortisol can disrupt your sleep cycle, leading to insomnia and restless nights. See if you recognize any of these symptoms. Don't ignore them. Your hormones are the key to your well-being, and balancing them can transform your life. Which of these signs have you experienced? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next one.